Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this panning animation on CapCut PC. So this is an easier way to do it. You're just going to go to effects and you're going to go to distortion, and you are going to add on the ripple distortion on top of your picture or videos. For the blur, you want to make it 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So you actually just need to adjust the I think I still need a... Wait, hold on. Which one do I need to... The strength? Yeah, you need a... Do not zero the strength, actually. My bad. And you're just going to adjust the speed of the panning as well. If you want to make it slower, move it to the left. If you want it to make a little bit faster, move it to the right, kinda. And that is basically it, really. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!